Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be teaching you how to get the perfect pedicure at home with inexpensive products. So please stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. So as you can see, it looks like I have some dry skin on my foot, and plus I have some old fingernail polish on my big toe that I need to get rid of. First, we're going to remove that fingernail polish with some cotton balls and some regular fingernail polish remover. And that should be showing up on the screen right now. Okay guys, now it's soak time. This feels so good. This is my favorite part. I am going to be using a scrubber for my feet, and you can find these at the dollar store. I don't remember the name of this, but I know it's $1 at the dollar store, and you should be able to find a scrubber. Usually when I soak my feet, I like to scrub my feet as well, and this just gives it an extra touch, a more smoother feel to my feet, just to make it, you know, extra. Yeah, so I'm just going to be massaging over my toes and the bottom of my foot mainly, because I tend to get just a little rough under my heels. So I'll be scrubbing under there and underneath. As you can see, I'm making sure that the bottom of my feet are completely smooth and nice under. And let me tell you guys something. This foot soak was so relaxing. It had my feet like let me stop playing with y'all. Now it's foot rubbing time. And this is how it looks after I finished soaking my feet. Also, I did scrub my feet again on the bottom of my heel. I just feel like it needed some more scrubbing just to make it smoother. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt, but if you like this video, you're gonna love my skincare video. Just click the link below to watch it after you finish watching this video. I decided to put some lotion on my feet as well. I use cocoa butter Formula Heals Softens, and I believe it's made by Palmer's. If I'm not mistaken, it should be on the screen right now for you to see. If you don't have lotion, I would suggest oil. It works perfectly fine and it gets the trick done as well. And honey, your feet will be coming out so smooth, I guarantee. Polish time. Okay, so I used 2 different nail polishes, but they were by the same company, LA Colors. And the first one was the gel, and the other one was this metallic type pink. I think it's pretty explanatory. Polishing your toenails, I don't think people need really a lot of help with that. But I will tell you what I did. So basically, I put the first layer on my toes, which was the clear polish, the gel, and then I added the metallic polish over that, and then I went back and did a second coat of the gel. And that's it. Like I said, it's pretty self explanatory after this point. I feel like polishing your toenails is just easy, and that's it. This was the finished result, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I make a new video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye. Wait, don't leave just yet. Make sure you click my new video that's showing up on the screen right now. I promise you won't regret it.